Evening. So tonight we're going to continue with Malachi chapter 4, which is actually a short chapter. The great day of the Lord. Truly, the coming day is burning like a furnace. All the arrogant and all the who practice evil will stumble, or will be stubble. The coming day will set them on fire, says the Lord of the Heavenly Armies, so that it will leave them neither root nor branch. But the Sun of Righteousness will rise with the healing in its light for those who fear my name. You will go out and leap like calves released from their stalls. Excuse me. And trample down the wicked. Indeed, they will become ashes under the soles of your feet on the day I do this, says the Lord of the Heavenly Armies. Remember the law of Moses, my servant, that I gave him at Horeb for all Israel, both the decrees and laws. Pay attention, I'm sending Elijah the prophet to you before the great and dreadful day of the Lord comes, and he will turn hearts of fathers to children and hearts of children to their fathers. Otherwise, I'll come strike the land and utterly destroy it. That sounds a lot like the rapture to me. But it does say Elijah the prophet. So I'm thinking that the next series that I read should maybe be from Elijah. See what he has to say. But like always, this is things to ponder, to meditate, to think about, and to pray on. And when I say pray, I mean talk to Elohim. I mean, start securing your place, because when this happens, you're not going to be able to really secure it then, will you? And when I say secure your place, I don't mean go, oh, I'm here, I've done all this for you. But go, Elohim, Father, what more can I do? Yes, this is what I've been doing. Is this good enough? While I might hope it's going to be, I know it should not be. What more can I do? From my own personal experience, whether I choose to do it or not, I know it's always the right thing to do. I do try and help people. But then I admit there is times where it seems very overwhelming. And when I say overwhelming, I'm like going, I don't see how I can help any more people. I don't see how I can do anything more. But yet I still end up doing it. Does that make me good? Does that make me more favored? I don't know if it does. I wouldn't even guarantee it does, because he says you will not get into heaven by works alone. Well, is that just works, or is that living by him enough that he sees that I have learned from him? That's for my ponderances. But when you self-reflect and meditate on your day, Think about it. Good evening.